Okay, so here are more ways that Bisan works. And if you remember, Bisan, Bisag, Maskin, Maskin, they all mean the same thing. And they kind of go along the lines of even or even if, blah, blah, blah. But you have to have a clause. There has to be a clause if you're going to be making a statement like this, starting with Bisan or using Bisan. And Bisan acts like an adverb, and it can also kind of parallel some similarities with the enclitic particle gani. So with these, I wrote down some simple sentences that can elaborate, that can explain how this works. Right, the first one, let's go right to it. Nalipay ang tanan, bisan ako. Right, so nalipay ang tanan, bisan ako, even me. Right. The next one is basta dili kuripot siya, bisan pobre. So basta dili kuripot siya, right? Bisan pobre. So it's more like saying just as long as it's like just as long as he is not greedy, even if he's poor, right? Even if he's poor, bisan pobre. Bisan ako or ako pagani can also kind of mean the same thing as bisan ako, which is like even me or me too kind of a deal, right? I guess I'll translate the first one because I guess there's some beginners out there too. So here are you, for you beginners, right? Lipay ang tanan is everyone was happy, right? Even me. The third one, what mi makaon, bisan na lang saging. If you use bisan na lang in a sentence, it's just gonna be even, not even, or even with something. So since this sentence is negative, starting with wa, right? Wa, short for wala, if you remember. Wa mi makaon, we don't have anything to eat. We don't have anything to eat, right? Wa mi makaon, we have nothing to eat. Bisa na lang saging, not even bananas, right? The wa makes this whole thing negative. Wa mi makaon, bisa na lang saging, not even, or we have nothing to eat, not even bananas. Bisan sakit sa ulo, right? Sakit sa ulo is a way of saying that you're annoyed or you have a headache. You're annoyed by something or something is pestering you or you have a headache from something annoying, right? Sakit sa ulo, hurt to head, right? Something that's hurting to the head or annoying to the head, right? Bisan sakit sa ulo, so even if it's an annoyance, sigig aw ang iro. The dog keeps barking. So that's just something with expressions of bisan, and again, those are all similar words, all right?